Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So in today's video I'm going to talk about my Purplle and Amazon haul. So I'm going to share with you all what all products that I got from Purplle and Amazon. And मैं recently ही शॉप की थी Purplle and Amazon से क्या क्या चीज़ें मैं बाय की हूँ, सारी चीज़ें आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी. एंड उसके साथ साथ उनका एक छोटा सा स्मॉल मिनी रिव्यू आप बोल सकते हो, वो भी आपको दूंगी ताकि आप अगर ये लेना चाहते हो ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स तो आपकी माइंड थोड़ा सा क्लियर रहे. सो या अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो पहले सब्सक्राइब कर लो एंड उसके बगल में जो बेल आइकन है उसे भी हिट कर दीजिएगा. एंड आपको अगर मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए दे डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू गिव दिस वीडियो अ बिग थम्स अप. सो या विदाउट नो फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So guys, as you can see, I have a lot of products to talk about. These are all the products that I got from Amazon and Purplle. I think मैं Purplle से कम प्रोडक्ट ली हूँ, तो पहले उनके बारे में हम बात करेंगे, उसके बाद हम Amazon की बात करेंगे. एंड एक दो प्रोडक्ट्स अभी मेरे पास अवेलेबल नहीं है, उनके बारे में मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बोल दूंगी. So the first product I can see that I got from Purplle is this one. So this is the NY Gua Sha Stone. This is a massaging tool that you can use to massage your face and to relieve that tension and those stress from your face. And आपके face को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, काम लगता है ये यूज़ करना. So this is what I got क्योंकि मुझे बहुत कम प्राइस में मिल रहा था. Actually I wanted to buy this one from a very long time. Guys, then I saw the website and those are very expensive products. So then I thought I should invest in this one and let me see whether it is working or not. And I have already made a video about it on my channel, like how to use Gua Sha Stone and how you can massage your skin with that. This is a very nice product. I'm making this video quite later and उसके पहले ये सारे products किसी ना किसी वीडियो में आप तो देखे ही होंगे. इसका आउटर पैकेजिंग ये है एंड इनर पैकेजिंग में आपको Gua Sha दिख जाएगी. सॉरी, सो let me fix it. So this is the stone and you can see clearly. So ये कुछ ऐसा सा दिखता है. This is the shade like ऑफ वाइट कलर का है ये एंड आई गॉट दिस वन. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस वन. इट हेल्प्स टू इम्प्रूव योर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन एंड ये सच है गाइस, मैं इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड ये आप ये वाली पार्ट देख सकते हो, इट्स लुकिंग वेरी नाइस. आई एम नॉट गोना शेयर दैट इट रिड्यूस्ड माई दिस डबल चिन, थोड़ा सा जो डबल चिन है मेरा, लेकिन आई गेस ये धीरे धीरे उसको भी ठीक कर रहा है एज पर आई एम थिंकिंग, बिकॉज आई एम यूजिंग दिस वन फ्रॉम पास्ट 10 to 15 days and I have been loving this one. So yeah, it's just for rupees 200 something. I guess I got it for rupees 250 but its actual price is 360. And now also some sale is going on Purplle, so you can definitely check this one out. I will give all the links in my description box below. So this is the first product that I wanted to talk about. Next I bought two makeup sponges, or you can say beauty blender. So these are the two makeup sponges that I got. Both of them are from NY Pro and their range is very nice. उनमें आपको मेकअप ब्रशेस एंड स्पंजेस सब कुछ मिल जाएंगी. एंड वैसे ये वाली वीडियो स्पॉन्सर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है गाइज. आई बॉट दिस ऑल प्रोडक्ट्स बाय माई ओन मनी. अगर ये स्पॉन्सर भी होता है तो आपको यही लाइक रिव्यूज सुनने को मिलेंगे क्योंकि आई एम बीइंग वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट विथ यू गाइज. आई डू नॉट शेयर दोज प्रोडक्ट्स विच विल नॉट वर्क फॉर मी टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सो इसको तो आप पहले देखे ही होंगे, सो प्रूफ आपके सामने है. सो नेक्स्ट दिस टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर्स एंड already I have used these beauty blenders. So the first one is this one. I think this is the teardrop beauty blender that they have. This is how it looks like. Very soft and squishy. You can see it's a very good quality beauty blenders. These are so affordable as well, so that's why I thought I should buy this product and let me just check out how it is working or not. But these beauty blenders are so good, I must say. Guys, this is the first one and let me tell you and talk about the second one. So then I have this one. So this is a double sided flat beauty blender. You can see ये कुछ ऐसा सा शेप है इसका. So I particularly love to use these beauty blender for my foundation and अच्छे से आपके फाउंडेशन को you know blend भी कर देते हैं. And it's also so soft and squishy, you can clearly see. And ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करते लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत करते हैं, which I feel it's okay for me. But these are very good quality blenders. Guys, talking about the price of these products, these will cost you $225 for each blender. And I feel it's totally fine and very reasonable price range because beauty blender मेरे पास पैक के भी है, वो 500 550 के आसपास आते हैं। तो ये वाले बहुत गुड क्वालिटी के ब्लेंडर्स हैं एंड बहुत अफोर्डेबल रेट में आपको मिल जाएगी। सो आप डेफिनेटली इनको ट्राई कर सकते हो। अगर आपको गुड ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर्स चाहिए जो आपके मेकअप को एफर्टलेसली ब्लेंड करे, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली go for these. So then I got this hand cream from Purplle. So this is the Wow coconut hand and nail cream. So if you guys know and watched my previous video, you would know that how much I love to apply hand creams on my hands, and I feel my hands feel so soft, and with that I also feel very nice, and this smells amazing, you guys. I really love this one. You guys already know how much I love coconut smell fragrance like things. So you guys know I love to smell like coconut and cupcakes and vanilla. ये सारी smells मुझे बहुत पसंद है, and इसीलिए this is also my I think 4th or 5th time purchase that I'm purchasing this hand cream, and it was on offer as well, so I thought let's just buy this one. So this is very nice hand cream. It will hydrate and moisturize your hands. Guys, I think I have bought only these four things from Purplle. Next I'm gonna talk about what all I got from Amazon. These all things are from Amazon, so I'm gonna talk about each and everything what I have here. So talking about the first makeup product and one and only makeup product that I have is this one. So this is the Lakme Lumi Cream, a moisturizer with highlighter. So it comes with moisturizer with highlighter, as in you can say it's some highlighting base strobe cream, जो कि बिल्कुल MAC की dupe है. I can say उसका पूरा सिमिलर नहीं बोल सकती, लेकिन 95% तो सिमिलर ही है, जो कि बहुत रिजनेबल प्राइस में आ जाता है. I bought it by watching so many videos on YouTube, and then I got this one, and I have already used it in my previous videos as well. I love this product so much. I will definitely repurchase it. So this is a very good Lumi cream. It will add a little bit of glow, not a little bit, very nice subtle glow to your skin. You can totally see the glow and see, oh my god, I genuinely love this product. It cost for rupees 299, but offer price में आपको 250 के around मिल जाता है, so you can definitely buy this one. Guys, then the next product I got is an aloe vera gel. So this is called the Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Gel. This is a multi-purpose gel for skin and hair. It's 99% pure aloe vera gel, no paraben, silicone, mineral oil, color or something like that. It has nothing. It's a pure aloe vera gel. So you guys know my love for aloe vera gel and rose waters. I don't need to speak about it a lot because you guys already know how much I love to use these products on my skin. They are very natural products which I like to use. So इसको मैं अपने face saving के लिए use करती हूँ. I have already made a video about it and I genuinely like this product. Faceshop की एलोवेरा जेल मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. उसके बाद मैं ये वाली एलोवेरा जेल को यूज़ कर रही हूँ फिलहाल, क्योंकि वो मेरा आई थिंक ख़त्म हो गया है और मेरे पास अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो आई थॉट लेट्स जस्ट बाय दिस वन दिस टाइम. नेक्स्ट आई बॉट something for my face, that is this sheet mask. So I bought this sheet mask pack from Pond's. It comes with 15x moisturizing serum. After using this face mask, my face feels so moisturizing and hydrating. ज़्यादा oily बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है. So इसके अंदर भी 5 sheet mask आते हैं, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. Guys, ये सारे वेरिएंट की sheet mask इसके अंदर आते हैं, and this retails for rupees 375. So 2 ऑलरेडी मैं यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. आई थिंक एक विटामिन सी का था एंड और एक विटामिन V3 का था. इन दोनों को मैं यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. So next I have another lipstick that I got from Purplle.com. This is the NYB lipstick. So this is called the NYB Confession of Lip, a Holistic Primer plus Matte Liquid Lipstick. बहुत लंबा नाम है इसका. So this is a very comfortable liquid lipstick. This is one of my favorite lipstick, I can say. You can clearly see how beautiful this looks, and I feel this is a very pretty mauvey pink shade, which has like this beautiful mauve undertone, and you can see this is how it looks like. And इसको I think इस यूनिवर्सल शेड है, ये सारे स्किन टोन से इसको अच्छे से कैरी कर पाएंगे. इट्स नॉट दैट लाइट ऑल्सो. सो बहुत अच्छे से ये अपने लिप्स को लाइक ज़्यादा ड्राई नहीं बनाता है एज कम्पेयर टू नॉर्मल लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स. इट विल नॉट ड्राई आउट योर लिप्स दैट मच, बट डेफिनेटली you should apply a good lip balm before it. So I really like the lipstick. I'm in the shade Pillow Talk 14. So the next thing I got from Amazon is this one. These are the Carmesi facial razors from women. These are like instant penless hair removal facial razor. These are good for your eyebrows, opules, forehead, chin and peach fuzz, everything. So guys, I have been saving my face for 2 years now and I think I should invest in a good razor. That's why I got this one. इसके अंदर आपको 3 की पैक मिलती है, तो these are the 2 and बीच वाला मैं अभी यूज कर रही हूँ. So these are very good razor. अच्छी ग्रिप आपको मिल जाएगी. Let me show you one. So you can see this is the inner packaging. So these are very nice razor. Comes with a like cap like this, which is very nice and travel friendly bhi hai. I really like this razor and I will mention it in my description box below as well. So next we have these products to talk about. So first let's talk about this cream that I got. This is a moisturizer. Guys, this is called the Faceshop Pomegranate Moisturizer, which is like the collagen booster. So I got this one for my mom basically because she wanted to use another moisturizer which will be very good for her. So then I thought I should buy this one because it's good for anti-aging purpose. Guys, talking about the inner packaging of this product, this is how it looks like, and the cream is like this. Consistency is like a cream consistency basically. I can say for 7 days my mom is using this one and she really liked this product. I think she will definitely gonna repurchase it. She was telling that it's a good product and you should buy another one for me after finishing this one. So I can recommend you, अगर आपके मम्मी के लिए या फिर किसी एंटी एजिंग क्रीम आप चाहते हो जो कि अच्छा हो, then you can definitely buy this one. And these products, all of them I have already used it, so that's why मैं आपको अच्छे से बता पा रही हूँ. Then the second last product I have is this lip balm. So this is called the Ikki Organic Pink Me Again Lip Sleeping Mask. I have been using this for 15 days I can say, and this is very nice lip balm. I must say it only cost for rupees I think 200 something, 275 like that. And this is the exact dupe of Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. अगर आपको पता है तो वो Laneige वाला मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. That cost for rupees around 550 and इतने क्वांटिटी आपको नहीं मिलती है, छोटा सा आता है, and बड़ा वाला 1100 का कुछ आता है. This one is just a beautiful dupe for that. You can definitely buy this one. Guys, मैं इसको डे एंड नाइट टाइम दोनों टाइम पे यूज करती हूँ. I can definitely suggest you to buy this one. This is a beautiful product. Guys, the last but not the least, I have this Carmesi Roll On deodorant. So this is how it looks like. This is called the Carmesi Natural Deodorant Roll-On with 95% natural and 5% essential ingredient. It's in the fragrance of Floral Sunset. Guys, this doesn't have any alcohol. It's an alcohol-free deodorant, which I absolutely love. This is a roll-on deodorant. You can definitely see. Or I just like to use this one under my arms and here, thoda sa, and smell. Okay, sorry, and it smells amazing you guys. This will definitely gonna stay for a really long time and you can definitely buy this one अगर आप एक अच्छा सा रोल ऑन चाहते हो अफोर्डेबल रेंज में, बिकॉज ये ज़्यादा प्राइस में नहीं है इसका. इट्स कॉस्ट फॉर रुपीज 250 बट आई थिंक आपको 180 एंड 200 के आसपास मिल जाएगा. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस रोल ऑन एंड ये केमिकल फ्री भी है, तो आप डेफिनेटली इसको ट्राई कर सकते हो. सो दिस वॉज माई लास्ट प्रोडक्ट इन दिस एंटायर हॉल एंड आई होप आपको ये हॉल पसंद आया होगा. एंड लेट मी नो व्हाट आर द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड and आप क्या क्या यूज करना चाहते हो. So this was all about today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel अगर आपने नहीं किया है तो. उसके बगल में जो बेल आइकन है उसे भी हिट कर दीजिए ताकि मैं जब भी नई वीडियो अपलोड करूं तो आपके पास पहले नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.